Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix mobile setting, and today friends I am going to show guys Infinix mobile guys lock screen password remove setting. How to remove lock screen password in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to remove Infinix mobile lock screen password, so how to delete all password in Infinix mobile. So first of all guys, go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. So friends, open your phone, and after on phone open your phone setting. After phone setting friends, open your phone security setting. After turn phone security setting friends, open your phone screen lock setting. After screen lock setting friends, enter your device password, and you have any pattern lock, so then draw pattern. Next, swipe and non option friends. If you click here, your screen lock will remove. If you click the swipe option, so friends your all password will remove, fingerprint password, face lock, and your screen lock will delete automatic. And friends, if you click in on option, so guys your swipe lock will also remove. And friends, you have pattern also friends, face lock and fingerprint lock you have, so guys your automatic fingerprint lock and face lock will delete in your device. Wait and watch. So friends, we will click here screen lock, we will enter password, swipe option, and all fingerprint lock will remove, all face lock data will remove, screen lock will delete, and you can unlock your device without any face lock, without fingerprint lock, and without any password. Swipe here, phone will unlock automatic. So like that friends, you can use password security setting and you can remove your lock screen password. And friends, you want to remove swipe lock, so friends you can remove swipe lock also. Open your phone screen lock setting, friends click on non option guys, swipe lock will remove, and friends you cannot use swipe lock setting. Friends, you can on your screen and you can off your screen direct. And you want to use swipe lock, so friends you can on swipe lock from here. Click a swipe lock will set, and you can unlock your device with swipe. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video. I have friends understood how to remove lock screen password.